Namaskar, dear students. Prayers to Ma Sharda. We are learning chapter 1, electric charges and fields, and it is from NCERT text. We are about to complete all the illustrations now. This is last one having calculations. Okay, some concept based illustrations are also there, but that we will discuss afterwards. Okay, this is the last illustration in which we have to calculate something. Okay, that is 1.10. Data is figure itself. Okay, this figure itself is data. It is given in data. The question is, there are two charges, minus 10 microcoulomb and plus. This is figure A and this is figure B. Okay, in figure A they have asked us that given data is there are two charges, minus 10 microcoulomb and plus 10 microcoulomb. Okay, placed at points A and points B, 5.0 millimeter apart. 5.0 where 0 is mentioned for precision. Okay, 5.0 millimeter. Now we have to find electric field at point P on axis. Okay, at 15 centimeter distance from the center of the, actually this is a dipole. Okay, so from the center 15 centimeter, that we have to find out electric field. Okay, that is question A. We will discuss question B afterwards. First of all, focus on question A. This is the figure. Okay, on point A it is minus 10 microcoulomb. On point B it is plus 10 microcoulomb. The distance between these two charges is 5.0 millimeter. Okay, we have to find out electric field on a point located on axis. Okay, at 15 centimeter distance from the center of this dipole. This is the question. In our textbook, they have solved this problem by two methods, but then they realized that second method was better. So we will use only the second method. Okay. So first of all, let us write the data. Okay. AB equals to 5.0 millimeter can be written as 0.5 centimeter. So OB, this distance will be equal to half of it. So it is 0.25 centimeter. And OP is given as small r. Okay, that is OP is given as small r. Okay, that is 15 centimeter. Now first of all, let us find out this ratio OP upon OB. Why? Because we have to decide whether that point, okay, is very far or not. Okay, so OP upon OB, that is 15 upon 0.25, that is 60. That means OP distance is 60 times OB distance. So P point can be considered as very far. Okay. In that case, we know that vector E on axis, the formula was 2 into 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P. In theory, we can consider it as distance x, which is given here as r. Okay, but let us write as x. So Px upon x square minus a square whole square P cap. Here x is 2 greater than a. Okay, this distance is called 2a actually. Okay, this distance is 2a and this distance is a. In that case, x square minus a square can be considered as x square. Okay, and then if I put here x square, then square of it will be x raised to 4. X upon x raised to 4 will become x cube. Okay, so 2 into 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into p upon x cube into p cap. See here, p cap is the direction of a unit vector towards direction of electric dipole moment, and we know that it is towards minus Q2 plus Q, or say towards A to B. Okay, it is obvious because see, if I put here a unit positive charge to find electric field, okay, this positive charge will offer repulsive force, this negative charge will offer attractive force, but force of plus 10 microcoulomb will be more because it is situated nearer to it. Okay, so finally the effect of plus 10 microcoulomb will be finally it will be the more effective. So now I have to put the values. Here we have written R in place of X. So see 2 by 4, that is 1 upon 2 pi epsilon naught into P upon R cube. Initially we will find out the magnitude, then we will add the direction. Okay, so 1 upon 2 into 3.14 into 8.854 into 10 raised to minus 12 multiplied by now P that is electric dipole moment, that we have to calculate here. We know that P equals to Q into 2A. Q is magnitude of any of these two charge, okay, that is 10 microcoulomb, so 10 into 10 raised to minus 6, and 2A, okay, that is 5 millimeter, can be written as 5 into 10 raised to minus 3. So the final answer is 5. This is 10 raised to minus 6 minus 3 plus 1, that is 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb into meter. Putting here P equals to 5 into 10 raised to minus 8, and small r, that was 15 centimeter, can be written as 15 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Cube of it, okay. So finally the answer will be, if you calculate by calculator, okay, first of all see, this is minus 8, okay, this is minus 12 and minus 6, so minus 18. That minus 18 will be added at the numerator. So minus 8 plus 18, that will be 10 raised to 10. And calculating this, it will be 0.0000266 into 10 raised to 10 Newton per coulomb. So we can this decimal point, okay, if we bring here, it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 powers I have to deduct. So 2.664 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per coulomb. Direction of obviously this, that is towards vector A. Okay. Now second question, that is question B. We have to find out electric field on a point, okay, located at 15 centimeter, okay, on perpendicular bisector of this electric dipole. We can say equatorial line, 15 centimeter equatorial line. Okay, see I have used this sign here and here because this is not actually 15 centimeter if we consider these as 0.5 centimeter. That's why I have used this sign. In text as well as in most of the reference books, they are not using this sign, but it must be. Okay, see, this negative charge will attract positive charge. Okay, so electric field due to A here will be this vector E, and electric field due to B will be, because if I put here a unit positive charge to find electric field, this will offer repulsive force. So vector EB is in this direction. So according to parallelogram method, the vector resultant vector EQ will be in this direction. Okay, and in theory also we learned it that it is minus pk direction is, okay. So that direction we will add afterwards. See, E equatorial line magnitude, the formula was 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon x square plus a square raised to 3 by 2. If x is 2 greater than a, okay, we know that half of this is smaller and this is x. Here it is written as smaller. We will replace afterwards. So x square plus a square will be x square. Okay, we can consider it like that, nearly equal. Okay, in that case, x square square root of it is x, so x cube. So P upon 4 pi epsilon x cube. Don't calculate again because it is just double of this. Okay, so E at Q equals to P upon 4 pi epsilon naught. I will replace now x as r cube, but it is, okay, it is half of this. Okay, half of this, sorry. We have to divide this by 2. So EP by 2. Okay, so that will be equal to just half of this. 2.664 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per Coulomb towards vector B. Okay, towards vector B. Okay, bye.